Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. I will take you along in the world of DANFOSS frequency converters. What the hell are frequency converters? The first time I got in contact with the whole topic about electrical drives and frequency converters was in my bachelor degree, and I failed the course electrical drives like 2 times. And the background why I'm doing this video is because in 2 weeks I will start my new job on the 1st of September. And it will actually be at DANFOSS. The frequency converters are just one small part of DANFOSS, or not small, but like one part of DANFOSS. But this will be the part I will be working with. So I just thought like this would be a fun idea to talk about it, basically. This video is for basically everyone. It's for new DANFOSS employees, it's for potential new DANFOSS employees, it's about people who are thinking of applying at DANFOSS, it's for tech nerds who just want to correct me and be like, Esther, that was wrong what you said. Please go ahead and comment if I say something wrong. So let's go ahead. What is a frequency converter? A frequency converter is an electronic device that converts an input AC voltage and frequency to a different output AC voltage and frequency. These devices are commonly used in various industries for motor speed control, power conversion, and more. Okay, forget it. This was not the purpose of the videos. I will not bore you with like some technical terms. This is a frequency converter. Well, not this, but this is a frequency converter. And it's huge. But let me put it on the table and then we can actually see it better. For what do we actually use frequency converters? For all sorts of applications, but one example is a turbine to create wind. And here you see a video of me. I was in the Universe Science Park, or DANFOSS Universe Science Park in the middle of Norborg. And here they have like the storm simulator, which is super fun. I will link the video and I will also link the Universe website down below if you're on vacation there. So it's really, it was so much fun, and for that, for example, you need a frequency converter to generate different speeds, basically. So now I will actually try to lift it up onto the table. I don't know if I will be able to. It's so heavy. No, I will need help. Genau, und ich würde das gerne hier so drauflegen. Ja, danke. So, finally I got it on the table with the help of my neighbors, and now we can actually take it apart and gain some knowledge from it. So here you can already see, like here you have all the cables coming inside, so this is now the bottom, and you can see, like, I have literally no idea. What the hell are those? I have no idea. What are those? Oh, this is so interesting. Okay, no idea what these blue ones are. I actually don't. I'm a bit overwhelmed. I don't know where to start. If you guys are wondering, why the heck do I have this huge frequency converter? This drive is actually came from Kenneth and Kenneth's team. So shout out to Kenneth. Kenneth, thank you very much. In Kenneth's office, I used to sit and do my project and also my master thesis. This product actually was used for testing and it would eventually go to waste. So I thought like, no, I will take it. Yeah, basically Kenneth and I decided to give the drive another lifetime, or like another life for educational purposes. So we will now gain some knowledge by taking apart a product. I think this is great. So this is now the setup. Here I'm currently in my garden at my parents' place, so in Oldenburg in Germany. So here we have the drive where we will slowly start to take it apart. Then I have my table and my laptop where I can Google things. At least I have my workspace set up. And now I need tools. We have to get tools. Let's go and get tools. Here I have my electrical screwdriver. Let's go to my dad's workshop. Ooh. We're now in the workshop. And I will need some, I think I will need this. So I just took off the top lid and not much things is happening. I think this is, you can already see a little bit inside. Let's take the side off. Ooh. Okay, so I just took the sides off, and as we can see a lot. Okay, so here we have like already some cables. Nice. It's getting there. I want to remove this, and I'm currently thinking about how to remove it. Okay. Oh, something broke. Also, this will not be used again for like technical purposes. This is only educational. So if something breaks, well, then it breaks. But also, maybe then we can understand it better. Whoopsie. Okay, let's continue. So now we are here. We have some already like this PCBA. That's a printed circuit board. You see here this green one. You basically have that in every electronical device. But I will now continue removing this thing. Ta-da! Nice! Look at these cables, they are massive! The diameter is 35 square millimeters. Electricity goes inside here. You have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. If you compare, for example, this cable, the thickness, compared to these ones. So, it's a very high voltage. High voltage? Okay, so I studied, as a background, I studied environmental engineering. Nothing with electronics. So I'm really trying my best here. Maybe later I have to actually Google some more, but we will see. It's now a few days later and I will continue taking apart the drive. So this is now where we are at. I mean, for you guys it will only be in a few seconds. For me it was like 4 days. So I will continue. Like I think we can already take this one out. This is just like a connector for the data, I guess. So you push this one back and then you can detach it. What I do not know is why this glue or something is on here, because it's just on some parts of the electronics. Also here, but like, was it put on manually? Or, I don't know, you can take it apart. It's like this white glue-ish thing. I don't know what this is. If you know, please comment. Okay, so all these connectors, like here, they go, when I take it out, they go to this other PCBA, printed circuit board, the green ones. I don't know if this is like the control part, the control PCBA, and this is like the executive PCBA. Oh, I don't know. But I guess these send different messages between each other. I think so. Two. And the last one. First PCBA is completely off. I think these are to hold it in place. In these ones the screws were in it, and these ones are also just to stabilize, I guess. Many cables. This is so tiny. What task does it have? No clue. But I have to somehow detach these ones. I know what I want and I know what I'm looking for. It's, in German it's called Steckschlüssel. But I just cannot find it. It's like, I don't know. It's somewhere. Anywhere. In this workshop. I don't know. I really don't know. It's way too big. Look. I just unscrewed some screws and now I can actually take up down the top part. This is the top part, and this is for the cooling, I guess. These were the cables that were detached or attached at the PCBA, which was like in here. So that controlled the fans, which can be seen here. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Here you can. If I can't find the right tools for these ones, then I will just follow the cable and I will just detach this whole thing, well, unscrew this thing. And I think this is here where the one frequency goes inside with the electricity, with the one frequency. Let me. Okay, now. So here goes the electricity inside. This is L1, L2, L3. UVW is where the electricity with a different frequency comes out and then goes to the electrical motor. The plan worked.
Muss man anheben da, die Spule, die da unten. Scheiße, das will ich jetzt abhaben.
I caught my father working on it. I'm already started editing the video and I didn't completely finish taking it apart. But now I found him. Continue doing it.
Geht nicht. Ich dachte, das wären nur Schutzkappen. Das ist tatsächlich 4500 Mikrofarad.
Ist das viel? Weil es scheint so, die Größe ist ja schon. The most heavy parts were these ones. I don't know the English name. Transformatoren, transformators. But these are the most heavy ones. I almost can't keep them up with one hand. Nice. Good morning again. It's now a couple of days later again. So I have a new shirt. And I've been a champion in procrastination and putting things off. And I've been putting off ending this video for like a week. I will do this now. To conclude this video, basically a drive consists of so many different parts, and don't get me even started on all the different electronic parts. That would be something for a different video. But this was fun, just to take it apart. I love doing this kind of stuff and I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in my next video.